Fun color art. Hi everyone. It's Anna. Welcome back to the Fun Color Art channel. Today I will draw a frog. Frog in the middle of the lake. Cool, isn't it? Please enjoy and have fun. Now I will draw a frog. Don't forget to prepare a black marker. I will draw the head first. Then draw the hands and feet. Frogs can live on land and in fresh water. They cannot survive in salt water. Their development is by metamorphosis. Adult frogs can jump with their legs. They have long tongues that they use to catch bugs. They make a sound called a croak. Some species live in trees, and some types of frog are protected by being poisonous. Frogs live all over the world. Frog eyes. He was glancing up. Frog skin hangs loosely on the body, and skin texture can be smooth, warty, or folded. Because the frog is in the middle of the lake, so we draw a leaf as a footing for the frog. So that the picture is full, I will draw leaves and water lily flowers around it. Draw the rocks in the lake with cattails flowers. Flying dragonfly. A frog wants to eat a dragonfly. But it didn't work because the dragonfly ran away. Back to the drawing, I'm going to draw the plants around the rock and the edge of the lake. will bold my image. It's coloring time. Prepare colored markers. The color of the frog is green. The color of the leaves is also green. The color of the water lily is pink. I am coloring the grass green. Stone color is black. Cattail's flower orange. Now we change the watercolor to color the lake water blue. last color is the color of the grass. Green. Frog picture in the middle of the lake is finished. I'm sure you also draw similar to mine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next drawing video.